Hi guys, today I will show you how to do bird dog plank. To do it, we have to do 4 steps. Step number 1, to start, you need to get down on all fours with your back strength and your core brace. And the next, raise one arm up until it's parallel with your floor, while at the same time, lift one opposite leg until right arm and legs are straight line. And the next, hold this position for 10 seconds, remembering to keep the rock solid, your core tight and your hips square. Don't lean your bum back. And the last, lower arm and legs and repeat on the other side. Now let me show you.
I found this time, you know, to be